Hey guys, Frank Galusha with EMI. Let's work on rear axle assembly and installation on your Stallard SST.
Just like the front axle installation, start by assembling all radius rods. It is important to put anti-seize on the threads of all rod ends before assembling radius rods. This will ensure that the rod ends will be easy to uninstall in the event that rods need to be replaced or adjusted. If you don't use anti-seize, the rod ends will lock into place over time due to corrosion, and rods will be very difficult to adjust. See rear axle assembly video for instructions on how to properly assemble the rear end. Once ready to install the rear end assembly, start squaring the axle to get it positioned correctly into the car and square. Set your effective arm length. This is the distance from the center of the torsion spline to the center of the rod end. Right rear effective length is 11 inches. Left rear effective arm length is 12.5 inches. Torsion arm fixture will aid in quickly and accurately setting effective arm lengths. Now let's install the rear axle. Set axle on 4-inch blocks. Start with both radius rods set in the center adjustment holes on the frame. Fasten radius rods, brake rod, and Jacob's ladder to axle. Time your bird cages and brake carrier. Connect torsion arms to bird cages without using torsion stops. Time brake carrier so that the brake rod pickup is to the top. While using an angle finder, locate 90 degrees on the flat at the front of the bird cage by adjusting the radius rods. It is very important that the rear arms are set to the proper effective lengths. This can be accomplished by using a tape measure, but for quicker and more accurate results, we recommend our rear arm fixture for setting effective arm lengths. See Figure C.